Hernia is a condition in which a part of an organ is displaced and protrudes through the wall of the cavity containing it, often involving the intestine at a weak point in the abdominal wall. 6 main causes of hernia: congenital defect, advancing age and loss of tone, injury, pregnancy, improper lifting of heavy objects, and constipation. How to identify the symptoms of inguinal hernia? A lump in the region where the groin or upper thigh meet, pain and discomfort that is worse at the end of the day or after standing for long periods, pain while bending, cuffing, or lifting object, a feel of weakness or pressure in the groin, discomfort or pain during urination and bowel movements. Areas where hernia can commonly be found are groin, upper part of stomach, belly button, and surgical scar. There are 4 types of hernia: incisional hernia, inguinal hernia, umbilical hernia, and hiatal hernia. Inguinal hernia are basically because of strenuous activity and gained additional weight, or when a lady becomes pregnant. Inguinal hernia is mostly seen in older adults or people with close relatives who had inguinal hernia. Umbilical hernia is basically seen in women having multiple pregnancy and being overweight. Hiatal hernia is mostly seen above the age of 50 years and people who have obesity. Symptoms of hernia are pain during standing, straining, lifting weights, pain, nausea, vomiting, and the bulge cannot be pushed back into the abdomen. Hiatal hernia also produces symptoms of acid reflux. There are 3 types of surgeries which are performed for the treatment of hernia: open surgery, laparoscopic surgery, which is also known as a keyhole surgery, and robotic surgery, which is still in study. Open surgical repair closes the hernia using sutures, mesh, or both. The surgical wound in the skin is closed with staples, sutures, or surgical glue. Laparoscopic repair is used for repeat operations to avoid previous scars, and while usually more expensive, it is less likely to cause complications such as infection. Surgical repair of hernia guided by laparoscopic follow for use of smaller incision, enabling faster recovery from the operation.